Hello YouTube, and today I will be telling you how to make a desktop background like this one. Right, first you want to load up Adobe Photoshop. My computer is going so much quicker today. Right, then you want to click File, New, and then put your width as 1280 or whatever pixels your computer screen is, but 1280 fits my laptop, so it will probably fit yours, and my laptop is a netbook. So, and then you want to put 800 as height. Make sure these are pixels. Put 72 pixels per inch. RGB color 16-bit, and background contents white. Okay. Once this is loaded up, you double click the lock here, and it should come up saying layer 0, so just click OK, and then you can change the colour. Right, so you double click this, once the blending options have come up, then it should be fine. Alright, so you want to click Gradient Overlay, put the style as radial, yep, and put the gradient as reverse. So just double click that, and you want to put this as a dark lighty grey, so it's like about a middle. Okay, then you want the white to be just a little bit a lighter grey, and then it should like merge in like so. Then you want to create some writing. So what you can do is go here and click writing. I've just got vertical for now because I did so about that because of my desktop wallpaper, and it came out alright. But you can just really add any effects you want and just literally do anything. So once it's loaded up finally here, make a box, and I've got this thing called Birth of a Hero, so I'm just going to click M, make it a bit bigger, just put it as 100 because that's a good size, so I'll click 100, click here it should be alright. Now click M, that looks good, and then move that, not there, just make it a bit bigger. I'll do that to about 140, that's decent size. Once you've chosen your size, all you want to do is move it to a place you want it. So then I'm done there. Sorry, I'm just having my dinner. So I'll just click off that, and then that looks good. Right, so get this now and do any size, but I'll just put T because that's my YouTube initials, so my tutorial incorporated. Put it there. Get this again. So about that, right here. Get this again, move it down, and put I or I here. Right, once you've done that, you want to make it all in line, like that. Like I say, you can put these anywhere, it doesn't really bother me. But then once you've done that, you want to change this to vertical writing, horizontal, sorry. And then you just come here, put it there, and I'll just put More. Oh, sorry, that's a bit big. Let's put it as 26. Hope this will be alright. Yep, that should be alright. See if that's okay. That looks okay. Like I say, if you want to, like, make it any size you want. Sorry about that. Just delete that layer. It turns out that my laptop is going a bit slow today. Sorry about this. Right. I'll just make that a bit bigger. So 2430, right, that should be alright. So OD. There, that's better. There. It's a lot better, right. So once that's done, you just get this again. Write that randomly. And I'll put tutorials. Alright. That should be okay for the size, and then you just move it towards it and just put it there. Like that. That looks good. Right. And then you want to do that again, just this is the last time, and put whatever it says. So incorporated. Sorry if I spelled that wrong. I'm doing it Russian because my mum's watching TV and I don't really want to disturb her very much because she's watching EastEnders. So once you've done that, right, that looks good. Now you want to put an underline. So you just get the line tool, come there and press shift and put it in a straight line for as long as you want, doesn't really matter. And then click off. That's really thin, but it doesn't really matter. So all you want to do is click on the shape so it goes into the blending options. Click stroke and put it as black. So there, right? Then you want to do it again for this, and you just go across. Just go here, there, and then you want to go across again. And you do that. Right, that should be fine for now. So then you just click off that and it should be totally black or whatever colour you want it to be. Right, so then you just really get the Eclipse tool, but first you make a new layer and you put an ellipse by anywhere you want. So I'll just put it up here. Put it there. It doesn't really matter what colour it goes, but I'm going to change it to black because it looks most effective on black. So once the blending options have come up, you don't need a stroke on it. Just click off the stroke, click gradient overlay. Actually no, you just click colour overlay. It'll probably go red. But then you just want white. And click OK. Like I say, you can have it any colour, but what you want to do when you're on this shape, click edit, free transformation path, and just literally twist it like this. Then we just want to click the move, apply, just move it to where you want. Like I say, you can twist it anywhere. Doesn't really matter to you, but I'll just have it like this. Once you've got it in the place you want it, all you really need to do is click add layer mask. Just click that and then click on this gradient tool. Make sure this icon is clicked. Make sure this one is clicked. And then what you want to do is click from here to here to the M and just click off. But that's a bit too wrong, so I'll just click from here, do it up, and that should look fine. Like that. Right, once you've done that, I'm just going to do that again because that looked a bit dodgy. So I'll just do that again, and that looks better. Right, so once you've finished doing your path and stuff, then that's done. Right, you can add brushes, which I'm going to do in a minute. I might do this as my actual theme because this looks, my desktop wallpaper, because this looks pretty good. So, right, I'm going to click on the brush tool, and I'm going to choose a random brush. This is just one of my random brushes, which is, what's it called? I'll tell you what it's called now. Vector. It's called Vector Curves by iHear, alright? So that's what you want. So I'm just going to click a random brush here. I'm not going to do it too big, so I'll just move it down to, say, 297. Just click it here and just click. Sorry about that. Right. Oh, that's white. 1 second. Just click here. Black. Like I say, you can have it any colour. Just click on layer 1 here and make a new layer. Right. And then you can just literally click it anywhere you want. So I'll just click it there. That looks good. And then I'll change the brush to, say, this one. Just do it here. Just click. That looks good. And then I don't know what else to do. You can do what you want. Doesn't really bother. But you can literally do anything because it's your piece of art, if you think. So I'll just put that there. I'll just click that anywhere. So I'll just put it here. So I'll just put it here. Right, and that looks good. I'm just going to add one more thing here. Just put it there. And that looks good. Right, once you're happy with your stuff, so you click File, Save for Web and Devices. I know it sounds weird, but this is what you're going to do because it works best if you do Save for Web and Devices, like YouTube backgrounds and stuff. That will probably be my next video or something like that. So what we want to do is click JPEG maximum. That'll probably go to unnamed because that's on maximum, because it's normally on high, so it normally says JPEG high. But if you click maximum, it'll be the best quality you've got. So I'll click maximum, and it should be optimized, and that should be just the same. And then I'll just click enter. Once this comes up, you want to save it to my YouTube stuff, which it is, and I'll just put proffesional desktop wallpaper test. Save it. Once this has come down, you can just literally just line this. I'm going to line it because I'm going to do this. I'm going to do it later on. I'm just going to make a new video later. So I'll just click, sorry about that, click Properties. Desktop. Browse. By the way, I'm called Dom Cox. You may take the mick out of my name, I don't really care. But it's just a name and I couldn't really choose it, could I? My dad's a knobhead. And I can't really look at it. So right, I'll just click back here. Click YouTube stuff. Professional desktop wallpaper test. Click on that. And there it is. So then you want to click apply. And OK. Once you've clicked OK, it should be OK. And there we go. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any problems, just comment, ask me a question, send me a private message. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, whatever. Thanks.